We are going to start chapter number 15, probability. So we can define the probability. Probability, that means the favorable condition of a given data's random experiment. If we talk random, that means all the outcomes of the experiment are known as advance in it is called the randomly. So probability, we have formula PA is equal to, we have here number of possible event upon total event. Okay, so this is a probability. And now probability of not a event, PA naught is equal to 1 minus probability of an event. We can write PE, or you can write the PA, whatever you want you can write. So probability is not more than 1. Okay, it is less than 1, yes, of course, and neither it will be negative. Understand this one, probability should not be more than 1, should not be a negative, but it is less than 1, of course it will be always a less than 1. So 15.1, your exercise, first blank, the probability of an event E plus probability of an event not E. So means of both probability will be always 15.1, this is the first one, is always be a 1. Then second one, the probability of event that cannot happen is, okay, it is 1 or sure, here is given, so its answer is 0 or the impossible event. Okay, second one is 0 or it is a impossible. And third one, the probability of an event that is certain to happen is, third one, 0 or 1. So your answer is 1, sure or certain event. The third one is, your answer is 1. And the fourth one, here is given the sum of the probability of the two experiment, it is be always 1. And the probability of an event is greater than or equal to 0 and less than is 1. So fifth one is 0 and 1. Then in the second question, which of the following is a likely event? Likely, that means it should be possible or not possible here. So likely, the driver can start the bus, maybe start or may not be start. So it is a no equally likely outcome. And the second one, player attempt to shot the ball or the miss the ball. So maybe he miss, maybe he's, so it is also no likely event. And third one is also here is given, a trail is made to answer true or false. So maybe the answer is right or the wrong, so likely to occur as a other one. So it is equally likely. And the fourth one is also, a baby is born in or boy is girl, it is also a equally outcomes or likely outcome. Then we have a question number 4. We have to tell which of the following is the probability of an event and which is not. So see that first one is 2 upon 3 be divided by 2 6 18, carry over to 6 18, so 6 6, that means it is less than 1, hence it is a probability. Yes, it is a probability. And the second one, it is minus 1.5, so no, it is not a probability, because we just state that probability should not be a negative. And the third one, C is given 15%, so we will divide it 15 upon 100, it is 0.15. Answer is yes, it is a probability. And D is 0.7, so yes, it is a probability. Now the fifth question is given here, if PE of an event is 0.5, so we have to find the PE naught. So PE naught is equal to, we have written 1 minus probability of event, so 1 minus 0.05. if we subtract it from our answer is 0.95.